Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a bed frame and box spring. First, let's prepare. Before you begin, gather all the necessary parts and tools, like a screwdriver or Allen wrench. Make sure you have plenty of space to work around the frame. It's also a good idea to quickly review the manufacturer's instructions for any unique steps or warnings specific to your model. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient setup process. Now, let's assemble the bed frame itself. Begin by connecting the side rails to the headboard and footboard using the provided hardware. Ensure all connections are snug and secure. You might need an Allen wrench or screwdriver. Next, install any center support beams or legs. These are crucial for distributing weight evenly and preventing sagging, especially for larger bed sizes like queen or king. Double-check every connection. With the frame assembled, it's time to place the box spring. Gently lift the box spring and carefully center it onto the bed frame. Make sure it sits evenly across all the support slats or rails. You want to ensure there are no gaps or uneven edges, as this provides a stable and level foundation for your mattress. A properly placed box spring is essential for comfort and mattress longevity. Finally, let's complete the setup. Before adding your mattress, do a quick final check of all the frame connections to ensure everything is tight and stable. Once you're satisfied, carefully place your mattress directly on top of the box spring. Make sure the mattress is centered and level. This ensures maximum comfort and support, giving you a perfect foundation for a good night's sleep. Enjoy your new bed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.